Hello, bachcho. Let's see the question. So the question says DNA ligase is an enzyme that catalyzes the. So out of the four options, हमें identify करना है कि DNA ligase कौन से type of reaction को catalyze करता है. So the key concept in this question is to first understand what is DNA ligase. So DNA ligase is an enzyme which catalyzes the joining of two fragments of DNA. So this enzyme plays a major role during uh, DNA replication or DNA transcription, where a nick is done due to the exonuclease activity, and the nick needs to be joined together. So if the two DNA strands need to be joined together, then DNA ligase plays a major role. Also, during DNA replication, the lagging fragment, so the lagging strand of the DNA during the DNA replication is formed in fragments which is known as the Okazaki fragments. So Okazaki fragments are then joined with the help of DNA ligase, which makes the lagging strand, which joins the lagging strand into a single strand of DNA. So DNA ligase is a very important enzyme which plays a major role in the joining of the DNA fragments in different processes. So now if we see the options, then the first option says that splitting of DNA threads into small bits. So this is not the answer because DNA ligase does not split DNA, but instead it joins DNA. So the splitting of DNA into threads is done by endonuclease enzyme and not DNA ligase. The second option says joining of the fragments of the DNA. So this is the correct statement because DNA ligase helps in or catalyzes the joining of the fragments of DNA. The third is denaturation of DNA. So again, this is incorrect because denaturation of DNA takes place due to the change in temperature, like at high temperature or at very low temperature, or in the change in the pH, which results in the denaturation. That is the separation of the two DNA strands takes place. So DNA ligase does not play any role in denaturation of DNA. And the fourth option is synthesis of DNA. So DNA polymerase is the enzyme which is responsible for the synthesis of DNA and not DNA ligase. So our final answer for this question is option number 2, that is joining of the fragments of DNA. So DNA ligase catalyzes the joining of the fragments of DNA. So this is our final answer. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.